Can you share your screen so we can see what people are having? Are you with your laptop?
Yeah.
Looks like people are occupied with something today, or load shedding. Okay. If you are talking, we can't hear you. Mic is on mute. Okay. Where is calculator underlined?
What?
I'm trying to figure out why is your calculator actor, the actor name underlined.
Can you hover on it?
This is my PC.
Also, just make your screen full.
My PC can do other things which
I think I'm supposed to go to VS Code.
blank. Can I stop presenting it? I will present again if it's fine.
Come again?
Okay. Oh, it's
not responding.
not responding. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, you can stop. Maybe we can. We'll try to go over that homework again, but if you can start working on your unique implementation, that will be okay as well. Okay. So we don't have a lot of people today. Good morning, William. Anyone else having some issues they would like to share? Yeah. Kelly, are you ready now?
No, my network for the laptop is so down. Right now, to the phone, so I can't share my screen for the laptop because there's no network.
Okay. And Erickson. How is it? Morning, Mr. Frederick. I just left. But we're going to have the same people yesterday so that we can go over the basics again. Okay. So I prepared the example, the JavaScript example for front-end integration to those who wanted to go with to use actual JavaScript in the React. Let me share my screen and just show you the changes.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Frederick. Is there a load shedding problem today? Okay. Mazuba,
Good morning.
I was waiting. Good morning. Uh-oh. Yeah, there's some problem. Mazuba, good morning. I was waiting for you. You had some issues. Mazuba. You can unmute your mic.
Yes, okay.
Okay, yeah, we can hear you. Yeah, so you can go ahead and like share your screen so we can see that problem.
Yeah, okay, let me join with my laptop. Okay.
Are you sharing? Okay. Everyone else. Anyone else having some problem?
There's some feedback coming from your devices, Mr. Enoch. Are you using two devices?
Yeah. I'm trying. That's what I'm trying to fix. Is it fixed now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. It's connected to these two devices. Okay. So, as I was saying, anyone else who is having some problems locally or wants to help some help on setting up Gitpod, so you guys can work on your projects. And also, have you created like the repositories for your unique implementations? Because I think by Friday we'll send out a form where you guys can submit and show any implementation you have done, which you have on GitHub, your GitHub repo. That is with any implementation, simple or not simple, but that is kind of unique and different from the homeworks where we were having.
Yeah, I've created my GitHub.
Come again?
I'm saying I've created mine.
Okay. And you can share your screen. So, Mr. Confident, you didn't finish homework 1 yesterday?
Yes, it's good for them to finish on their own.
Okay.
And for us to finish everything. Maybe we can look on to homework 2.
Okay.
It might be okay.
A quick question.
Yeah.
Why is it that our instructors take the easy part and they give us the difficult part?
Come again? Like what?
Why is it that our instructors take the easy part and they give us the difficult part?
Yes, because in programming, you will never find easy things.
Yeah.
You know, there's never an easy path in programming.
We can say,
So that is why you give the students the most difficult ones and you relax with the easy ones.
Yes, we are preparing you for what
we can say it is what it is.
Anyway, I'm just joking.
Okay.
Sorry, Mr. President, can you please send the video for yesterday's session today, please, so that I can go through some of the stuff.
Come again, sir.
Can you please share the video for yesterday after the session if you can, so that I can go through the other stuff and see where I'm getting it wrong.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Alright.
We will do that. But I'm sure the problem you are having is a code problem, since everything is like working.
Now I have put like everything back to where it was, and now it's saying DFX not found.
Not found.
Yeah.
Even on Gitpod.
Yeah. With the main code that was there.
Okay. And okay, you said you can't share right now. It's fine.
I'm trying to share.
You said you're sharing.
Yeah, I'm trying to do that right now. Okay, so you can like this yesterday.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you know, try.
Sorry.
Yeah, just run that. Let's see. FX not found. I sure it's the same project you ran yesterday, or you created a new one?
Like I said, I had deleted this name, but I didn't change like anything. It's just that there's a time when I close the terminal and then I open again the terminal. Would that be the problem?
You deleted what?
No, I just closed the terminal.
Yeah, but it
Okay.
looks like you're in a different folder. That's not the folder that it was in before. Am I correct? No.
It
It's a
is.
different-
Just that the
it's not-
things that we here in the terminal, they are not shared because I threw everything and then I started afresh.
But it's the same repository you like pushed
Yes,
to GitHub yesterday.
yes.
Hmm. I don't remember. Okay. Maybe I'm forgetting. Looks like the demo you had yesterday had a small letter D.
In a small letter D.
I don't know. Okay, it's fine. Can you copy the scripts in Gitboard?
But I don't remember creating another repository yesterday.
Okay. Yeah,
I
so if it's the same, yeah, it's the same. But yeah, strange. I don't know why it would change.
it's this one.
Yeah, 13 hours.
Um,
Yeah, it's the same. Can you copy the scripts in Gitboard YML? I mean, there in Gitboard. I just copy the scripts and
all of
the
them.
blue. Yeah, the blue ones there and paste them in the terminal. Yeah, enter. Yes. Enter. Okay. Can you scroll to the top slowly? Yeah, copy that source that to configure that line here. Paste it.
I think.
Okay. Now try to run to deploy again. Start the local replica.
Sorry.
VFX start clean background. Yeah, now deploy.
Is it not creating new stuff like I have to copy and paste again like yesterday?
Creating a new one?
Yesterday you said I have to take these things that are in the other demo and paste in the other one. Is it not doing that right now?
No, like
Oh,
you already have that
oh.
Git code YML, yeah, so no need. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so that's it. It's working now. I'm really not sure why it kind of removed installation with it. But yeah, it should just continue working well like this.
Okay. So like even if I remove these things that I hear, I will still get the same response like after removing everything and then I will do the DFX deploy. I will get a different answer.
You mean
Uh,
after creating new functions of your own?
yes, if I delete everything that is inside this memo.
Yeah, yeah. You can actually try to copy that setup homework one and
The homework one is it on what is this?
it's on,
GitHub.
yeah, it's on GitHub. What are we gonna do? We're gonna share. We'll share again.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Thank you. I'll update you after the session, like before the session ends. I will post.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. William, go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. And just a reminder, kindly fill in the attendance form. Fill in the attendance form, please. Thank you.
Okay. And Mazuba, how did it go? You're having some challenges sharing your screen.
I had, internet.
Come again?
Yes, mine is the question.
Yeah, you're not very audible.
I can get it.
Yeah, we can hear you, but not very well.
All right.
But you can just share your screen.
All right. Will do.
Okay. Okay, let me share my screen and show you guys the implementation in JavaScript. There's nothing. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah, we can see your screen.
mhm. Okay, my question was for this function, right?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Can you go ahead?
So does it mean I can put any number of names that I want? And the function is still, or just have to, or the number of names I can put is limited to one?
You're not very audible. You mean
Okay,
the
understand.
okay. Okay, will the function still work after? Yes. This function is not storing any. You're just passing it the name and then it's returning the name back to you. I don't know if you mean like passing 5 names at the same time. I think it will just record that as a single string of bytes. Yeah. If you just like it to just pass the text you gave it. That's what it will return, this one. You were
Alright.
saying infinite arguments. Can you explain a bit on that? Like what do you really want to achieve, which you think this function is not doing? And also your naming of the function. Try to make it camel case, starting with a small letter,
Alright.
like students. Yeah.
Yeah, because for my unique canister, I wanted to write a function that returns an average of a set of numbers. Not on
Okay. Like I attended.
And I wanted to make it in such a way that no matter how many numbers you put, you can still return the average.
Can you
That's
try
what
to
I was
fix?
asking.
Can you try to fix your mic? Are you like using earphones or I don't know? Yeah, really difficult to hear.
Oh, okay. Let me disconnect from my. Hello, can you get me now?
Yes, please. Oh my. We can hear you loud and clear. You were
All
saying,
right.
are you talking? I can't hear you. Oh,
Okay, I was saying that uh, okay, let's do this. Let's try to deploy this one so that I show what I'm trying to say.
okay.
Okay, say I put my name like that, and then I go.
Yeah, it's returning Suba, yeah.
And now, in a case where I want to enter more than one name, let me try this. So like people are here the same. Use it. Oh, all right, all right.
It's returning as a single string, yeah.
No, okay, that's what I wanted to see. All right, it's
Okay.
fine.
Yeah, and yeah, and are you now like comfortable with the state variables, like storing data for your students in some map or something so that the data can be persisted across upgrades? Are you also comfortable with that now? Okay. Go ahead, Kelly.
Okay, so I've deleted the previous code and I've put my own code in there. This is what it's saying. You're saying the mid read is only in the expected tense. So it failed to deploy the coming stuff.
Failed. user declined the consent. Yeah, you type no. Did you try to deploy it again? Yeah, type yes. Yeah. Did you type yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Just pressed enter.
No, you must type yes.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's just updating the code.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Anyone else having some issues? Okay, yeah. So as I was saying, let me share my screen now and show you guys the JavaScript implementation. Okay. Yeah, so the repo is updated now. So now we have the React JavaScript and the React TypeScript. So
Zoom, please.
okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Now we have the React JavaScript. So we have the source, the front end, and yeah, here we're now pointing to JSX. This one. And our context is now in JavaScript, like we no longer have the types. And yeah, everything is working as it should. Let me try to run it. So I will do cd react what JavaScript. Right, so I'm now inside the JavaScript. ls, yeah, fx deploy. Yeah, npm start. Then, oh, I need to share the browser, okay. Right. Just gonna go ahead and stop presenting. Yeah, so here it is. So I can log in, create the identity. Okay. save it. Yeah. And create another one. Yeah. So working as it should. Log out, log in. Yeah, so you can have a look on it. It's now on GitHub, and yeah, you can do your front-end integrations in JavaScript like that. But yeah, of course, you won't have TypeScript stuff like suggestions on functions, etc. But yeah, I'm sure if you prefer JavaScript, it means it's something you're already accustomed to. Okay. Yes, I don't know if there are any questions at this moment.
Yes, I have one.
Okay.
Is it possible to dynamically create functions on Motoko?
Dynamically create functions
Using JavaScript.
using JavaScript. Can you like explain your use case a bit? I'm not sure.
Let's say you
Dynamically
create,
creating content, yeah.
let's say you create a field to type in, like one of the examples we showed just now, and you want to dynamically repeat that field.
To repeat, like to map something.
Okay. If I create a, what do you call it now? A to-do list, for example.
Yeah.
So when the user type the list, it's replicating it or storing it.
Okay. So they type one, they type one to-do list, they add another one, and add another one.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you want it to display in your React and JavaScript here in the front end.
Yeah.
Show it.
Yeah.
So it's almost like the same as we are doing here, right? Would it like how is it different? Because so let's just assume this is the to-do list form and this is the to-do list items. I think it would just work in the same way. So just one function, you just be using one function to do the adding or the creation of the to-do list, and then you just query the items and you just map them. So let me share my VS Code and show you how it's happening. So maybe okay. So using users front end, source, app. This is where it's happening. So I have an array for users, right? And I'm initializing it to empty using the use state hook users, right? And then what I'm doing is when you submit the form, we got this function, and here we're checking if the backend exists. we're checking if the backend exists, and then if it does, here is where we do the saving. So here we're just saving the user object. We're just structuring the user object, and then we call the backend function, and then the create function. And then after that, we're just calling. We are setting everything else to like the default state, and then we're calling get users. So this is the get users function. It's calling the backend and call the get all users. And then if we have users, we are setting them. We are now calling this use state. This is set user. So set user, and then we are now setting the users to that. So this is one way of doing it. Another one would be like here when you are sure that the users here when we have added, you're sure the user has been created, you may avoid this thing of calling the backend again, because really it's not kind of a good practice to keep calling the backend, especially, but at least query functions are for free, so it's not a problem. But another way would just be to like once we have the user saved, we can do, what is it? Set users. Yeah, like this. So we use a spread operator so that we can just like add the user on top of the users that are already here. So this way we won't have to like call the backend again. So anyway, that's one way to do it. And then so we have the users now. We have the users array here. How do we display it? We just come here where we are displaying the users. Where is it? Yeah. So we're just checking if we actually have users. So since we are initializing to an empty array, we want to check if the array is greater than 0. And then if it is, we now map the users. So you just need one card, then you pass in the key as the index or user ID, whatever you want. And then this thing will just dynamically grow as you add more users. I don't know if you are answered on this part.
I think so. Not sure, but is it possible to see the related canister to this front end?
Okay, the canister. So the canister is just that user's canister I was demonstrating in the lectures. We created in the lectures. So this one, we have the user type, right? And access level. Then we have the user's map, try map here with the key value pair of text. So the text here will be the email. We are saving the user by email in this one. And then a stable variable for our upgrade, for facilitating our upgrades. And then here we now have the functions. Create user. We're just putting them to the user's map. Get user. And then on get user, we use a switch because a user may or may not exist, right? So for the case where the user doesn't exist, we return an error with the text user not found. And then if the user exists, we return an OK. And then update user, delete, get all users. We use this iter to convert the map to an array. So that's the array we have here. Access level, just to get the access level. Yeah, so I think this is actually a very good example to have a look at and try to build something of your own. Because yeah, it's kind of more real, per se. Yeah. I don't know if there's more questions.
Sorry, I have one more question.
Yeah.
So I was on GitHub, and then I checked the source folder for the homework, and it's showing the previous code. So if I want to like show the code that I was doing right now, I always have to do dfx push.
A git push.
Git push.
Yeah. If you want your code to be on GitHub, wherever you have it, like Gitpod, Codespace, or locally, you have to commit the changes and push them to your GitHub.
First git commit and then git push.
You stage the files first by git add. You can do git add period or git add -a. Yeah, like that's staging the files, and then you commit them by git commit
Okay.
-m, and then the message of what we have done, and then git push to finally push the code to GitHub.
Okay. So for the homeworks, you're gonna go through my GitHub to check them out, or what?
The homework you will be submitting on that website. There's that website where for submissions, right? So you don't submit your repository for the homework. You just submit you deploy your canister to Playground, and then you just submit your canister ID. If your functions are correct, your homework will be verified successfully. And yeah, but for the unique implementations, your own unique implementation, that's the one we want you to create your own canisters, your own GitHub repositories for those ones.
Okay. May you please not forget to send the previous video for yesterday's session.
Okay, yeah, I was just kind of editing it right now, and then now I'm uploading it very soon.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you guys. Let's meet in the evening. Next week, Monday, will be the hackathon. So please remember to start working on your unique canisters, your unique implementations, right? The homeworks are not very important. They are just preparing you to be able to build something of your own, right? So if you feel like you can't do anything, do the homeworks and get the sense of what's happening. And then as soon as you get some confidence, build your own implementation, even a very simple one, just your own implementation. And so that we'll know that, like in the hackathon, you'll be able to actually build this something and collaborate with other people as well. So yeah, let's try to work on that. And remember to fill in the submission for the attendance form. And Mr. William, the hackathon registration form as well. To those that know they are going to attend the hackathon physically, Yeah, like even online as well, like Botswana team, please fill in that that form. Thank you. Let's catch up in the evening. Have a good day. Yes.
Let's connect directly.
Okay.
Let's connect directly. Yeah.
After this call.
Yeah, it will be best. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Goodbye, everyone. Good day.
Yeah. Have a lovely day. Bye.
Sure.